Phone repair business is a very profitable technical business. Hello guys, welcome to Vitex Communication channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to advertise your phone business. Either you are a new person or you have been in the business for a very long time. We are going to talk about how to advertise this business. As we all know, it is the joy of every GSM engineer or phone engineer to have enough customer because that is where his or her own money comes from. So in today's video, I will be showing you some little idea concerning how to advertise your phone business to get more customer to patronize your work. One, make sure that you know what you are doing. Once you know your work very well, it can bring customer to you. Secondly, you can tell your friends and family that you are into phone repair. If they have any faulty phone, they can bring it to you. That thing you are doing, you are creating awareness for them to know. Thirdly, you need to tell passerby. Sometimes, once you open your shop, some people will be passing and be looking in your shop. Sometimes if you don't tell them what you are doing, they might not know. Sometimes when you see them passing, call them, oh boy, okay, I dey do phone repair. Come patronize me. Anytime when your phone lost, anytime when your phone spoil, patronize me, I go do your phone well. I go even reduce money for you. Something like that. When you tell passerby this one, they will take note that you are doing that business. So when they have a faulty phone, they can be able to bring it to you. The next one is to print your name on the shop of your phone. That is, you need to write the name of your business on your shop. As you are seeing on the screen there, that's what I do in my house. You can use signboard. You can write it in the wall of your shop or any other method, but make it to be bold so that people can be able to see it. The next one is you can advertise your business through social media. Yeah, social media play important role in marketing and in chatting. So social media is a very good place, a very good marketplace to advertise or showcase your skill. You can do that by posting it in your timeline. You can create a Facebook page like me. So I have Facebook page, Vitex Communication. You can create a page. You can create group advertising your business. You can use the WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, any other social media to promote and advertise your business. Another one is public awareness. Public awareness is very important. You can go to town. You can go to the town where people are plenty. Tell them that you are doing the business. You can even plan to reduce price for them. And again, even though you see people in the school, you can still tell them, show them your card, telling them that you are into this phone repair business. When you do like that, you will attract a lot of customer to your shop. As we all know, it is very important to know what you are doing because it will be a waste of time after advertising them. You don't know how to do the phone repair. It will be a very big damage for you. Very important, know how to do the phone repair. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, concerning how to advertise your phone repair business. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. That's my own name encrypted on the wall in my own shop. So thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Lots of love. Hit the notification bell to get notified when I drop important content like this. Bye.